I'm back. Kelly here. I thought I'd show you a little sparkle. Sparkle is something that's been, I don't know, making my day when I am feeling a little down during this virus time. So if I put on a little sparkle and check that out, or, look at something sparkly. I saw where you can order these plug-in disco ball things. I might do that sometime for myself. I thought that was really cool. It's like a mini disco ball that you can hook into a outlet. So yeah, just an idea. But anyways, some things that I like to use at home regularly is have a chair available. I actually have like a lounge chair. I'll show you that at home, like a Chase lounge that I put my feet up on regularly. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to do what we call legs up, okay? Because that is something that I do all the time. I think they say like 5 minutes of that is like a half-hour nap. It might be something different than that, but I don't know what it is. It helps me to feel refreshed, and it's a very balancing pose. It can also help you to sleep. So I'll do it sometimes before I go to bed, and I often do it just in the middle of the day whenever I'm feeling tired. Okay? I'm going to smell a little bit of oil. I don't know what works for you. I have one called grounding today. I'll often use, ones for me are frankincense, valor, something woody, even cedar wood. Like, just for me, something very earthy is what grounds me and calms me. So I'll show you legs up. You can pick or choose, and then I wanted to read you a poem today from, this one's From Root to Bloom, written by Dana Falls. It's called Yoga Poems and Other Writings. She has several books. I have used her books for years, so I highly suggest them. So legs up. Okay, I'm going to butt my side up to the wall as well as I can and kind of inch towards the wall and use my hands, elbows very carefully to bring my legs up on this beautiful salt wall. That's cool. Anyways, so that's one way to do legs up on the wall. But if your hamstrings are really tight, or if that's just too much for you today, sorry I'm talking to you while I'm down here, you can use a chair, like I said, and just put your calves on a chair. You see, I have a blanket underneath me for comfort. I suggest that. You could even have a just thin pillow underneath your head if you're at home, or a blanket. But I don't suggest that you like bunch up the blanket real wonky. Try to keep things real smooth, like Princess and the Pea. And then I have another blanket you could use if you have like a sandbag at home or anything with weight. Some people have weighted blankets. Ooh, if I had a weighted blanket right now, maybe I'd put that weighted blanket over me. But I'm going to go ahead and just put that blanket on my shin bones and feel the calves resting down into the chair a little more. In this particular chair, I can feel the bottom of my feet on the back of the chair, and that feels good too. That feels really supportive. So you choose. Okay, I'll give you a few minutes to set yourself up as I find my reading. Okay. So I hope this reading may speak to you during this time. with so much going on, and we're learning as a whole connected community, how to navigate these times. And this is called It Is Enough. So as you rest, just notice the weight of your body on the floor. All right? It is enough right now to taste one moment of peace. Of course I want more, but at least the door is open. It is enough to draw a conscious breath and let my hands relax. Fingers releasing their tight grasp on things outside of my control. It is enough to shed a layer of stress, as if taking off a jacket or a pair of too tight shoes. Ease of being has to start somewhere. This breath is my first step. So I'd lie there for 5-10 minutes, more, whatever you'd like, and know that it is enough, that you are enough right here in this moment, in every moment. Okay? It is enough. We have to start somewhere. So enjoy. Again, stay there as long as you'd like. I love you. Bye.